Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on friend request notification on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on friend request notification on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left pane, scroll down. Under preferences, you will find notifications. Click on notifications. Then scroll down. Here you will find friend requests. Click on friend request. And now the notifications are turned off. You can receive these notifications from push. This is called push notification. And push notification will appear on your Facebook notification icon. And then if you want, you can receive notification from email, and if you wish, you can receive notification from SMS also. This is the easiest way to turn on friend request notification on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.